Automatic tin can packaging line for milk powder products. The tunnel-type conturning machine automatically changes tin direction and ensures smooth transportation. Next is the automatic dust-proof cover press, capping machine. The linear system accurately presses covers cans with stable and reliable performance. This automatic milk powder tin can case packer provides efficient carton packing solutions. The machine automatically arranges cans and loads them into cartons with high precision. It is designed for milk powder, nutrition powder, coffee powder, and other food products. The automatic packing system reduces manual operation and improves production efficiency. Combined with can handling and capping equipment, it creates a complete automatic packaging line. Reliable packaging solutions for global food manufacturers. Contact us today.